So let's calculate interactions with the plus sign and minus signs that we have. We have the treatment combination on the first column, and then we have treatment A. We would have each of these factors like A, B, C, and then we are interested, let's say as an example, to find out the interaction of the treatment and the catalyst, like effect interaction of the treatment and catalyst. So what are we going to do? Look at here, when you have and it would be like A and C. You have column A and you have column C. Just multiply them and find out the positive, negative, whatever signs that we would have. And then what are we going to do is that we are going to get the average from the positive signs, like this plus, this is positive, right? So whatever positive that you have, get the average of it, and then say minus whatever response that you have with the negative sign. And we will find it, when we find it, we will see that, okay, so the temperature and catalyst interaction is 19.75. If we compare it with the previous method that we had, like this one, it's going to give us the same result as well. So basically it's the same, like if you put the values and then effective plus sign and minus sum, multiply this 1/2, right? And times, because they say the average of the temperature effect at high catalyst, for example, if you multiply it, it's going to be 1/4, like the same things that we have here. And just the order of the numbers are a little different. I personally would go with this method all the time, most of the time, let's say, because it's a lot easier, it's more straightforward. You have the positive and negative signs. And when we have this, we can go with after that, we have a method like we call it Yates methods. And with the Yates methods, we can find out the coefficients of the beta 0, beta 1, beta 2, all of the coefficients of the interactions and main effects that we would need. As an example, I would suggest that you would work, for example, with find out the temperature and rate interaction. Like this is the temperature, this is the rate. The first thing that you would need to do is that add another column here and then multiply these signs to find out which ones are positive, which ones are negative, then get the average of the positive one and the average of the negative one and subtract them, and it's going to give you the effect. It's very interesting, right? Because simply from these ones, we can find out the value of the coefficients in our regression model.